How was that ride, Ryder?
That was awesome.
Fuck yeah.
Beer here?
Look at the smoke back there.
So Mountain Vernon is really, really cool. Mountain Creek Resort, also known as Action Park, it was a phenomenal theme park, a daring theme park, but a little bit of a legal trouble theme park, whereas this...
No for accidents.
It's beautiful here. It's clean. It's like you're like upstate New Jersey, and you know, New Jersey's not too flashy in itself, but Mount Vernon is sick. So definitely visit this beautiful little water park. We may have the water coaster later too, but every attraction so far is pretty intense. I like it.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for the ride, Angel.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
You're gonna face the boat.
Enjoy the view of Joe's feet. Oh. Oh. Ah. Woo. Oh. Oh. Hey, pick up your ass. Pick up your ass. This thing's deflating. Oh. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I was gonna say we push it. Gotcha. Wait till it passes the green box.
No, you. Make sure.
Oh, make sure. Got it.
Really attentive skill on these lifeguards. These employees are on point at this park. Beautiful to watch.
You did it. Sorry.
I did. Guys, welcome to Colorado River here in Mount Vernon, New Jersey. Apparently this is one of their star attractions and we're going to see why. Let's get this shit going. Spin the fucking ball, baby. Come on. Get it going. Put your, yeah, there you go. All right. Whew. All right, let's try one man. Oh, shit. All right, so this is apparently one of the longest rapids in the country. Whew. One of the most aggressive. Oh. And one of the most fun.
Oh yeah.
As you're about to see why. Ah. Oh. 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 You know what to do, right? What's that one?
I don't see a red light on.
I don't see anything. No, we're recording. Remember, that's where they go. long and refreshing, I'll tell you that. Ignore the frontal wedgies. It's a goddamn water ride, guys. I'm sorry. Here we go. Oh man, that'd have been good. Oh, damn it! Why did they put that there? All right, yes, yeah. Do your thing. There we go. There we go. You got it.
I guess the finale comes down.
I think so. Somebody else did that, whatever. Oh, Joe. That happens.
Brisket, everything looks solid. Spark actually, yeah. The only thing is their prices could be a little cheaper on the alcohol, but hey, I mean, beggars can't be choosers. This food is really, really good.
I didn't even look how much it was.
All right, it's decent. I like it. The pulled pork is really, really good.
Do they have barbecue sauce here?
They only had buffalo. I know. I thought that was a little weird too. God, the women here, the women. Rules for trying to look good at a water park. Don't, all right? Don't try too hard, because if you do, you're gonna end up like me. You're gonna have broken ass flip-flops, and these were my Adidas Adissages that I've had for years, but
About time to upgrade.
Yeah, thankfully I buy, out of paranoia, I buy 2 things of every pair, so I do have another pair at home, but Jesus. A lot of treacherous walking here. If you're not in fit like I am, Joe's probably more fit than I am. I know it doesn't look at it, but this kid can probably outrun me. Yeah.
It's true, I will outrun him every
Don't
time.
try too hard. Always be yourself. Always be yourself. You know, because
oh yeah.
yeah, we'll do the hard work for you guys. And we're about to actually catch our second half of the day. Yeah, it's been a great day here. I mean, it's clean, it's beautiful. I mean, you can't really go wrong with Mount Vernon, but what they did with Action Park and turned it into this beautiful little destination is awesome. So, come visit. The best thing about these heights is getting down, so. Oh, shit. All right. Jesus.
3, 2, 1, launch!
And that's how we do it.
How was that ride, Ryder?
That was awesome.
Fuck yeah.
So, drop slides. That was actually me and Joe's first time. I've never been on one. I don't know how.
It was insane.
It was insane. I love the feeling. The initial drop on those slides, I didn't know it was going to be that prolonged area of time where your ass is not on the slide.
It's a
so
free
that's
fall basically
really, really
until
cool.
like 15, 20 feet.
Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna be that long, but it did it. I don't know. I have a huge soft spot for those rides now. They're really, really, really fun. Not for the faint of heart either. I think like 6 to 7 people turned around in front of us. But this park is beautiful. Unfortunately, due to the line, I'm not gonna see the mountain coaster, but we'll be back. We want to bring a lot of people here actually, because this is a really nice place to drink, hang out. It's beautiful.
And
beautiful.
relax. And you get a little workout going up and down the mountain.
Yeah. Place is a little treacherous. There are some areas where in front of water slides where it's like, it's just the pavement is crazy.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with your footing, because some of the areas, it's just rocky terrain basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Even if it's just concrete.
Yeah, and even if it is for drainage purposes, you know, it's goes without saying. Another thing, the only negative thing I can find about this park, and I hate talking negatives because I support everyone and everything, but these lockers in the middle of the sun, it's crazy. Your shit will get baked in there. But beggars can't be choosers. It's serene moments like this in Mountain Vernon, New Jersey, where you just enjoy the view. Or you fuck with Joe. Ah, shit, was that somebody else shitting?
Yeah.